Think barndominiums are just for the country? Think again. Today, we're exploring the perfect blend of rustic charm and modern luxury. Welcome to the world of luxury barndominium homes with Shop. These aren't your average metal buildings. We're talking high-end finishes, spacious open floor plans, custom designs, and, of course, a fully functional attached shop space built for work, play, or passion projects. Whether you're dreaming of a home garage that rivals a showroom, a creative studio, or a practical workspace right next to your home, this is where style meets functionality like never before. So hit that like button and let's take a tour of a barndo that's built to impress, inside and out. In recent years, barndominium homes, a blend of barn and condominium, have evolved from rustic, rural dwellings into stylish and sophisticated living spaces. A luxury barndominium with a shop exterior takes this trend to the next level, combining upscale interior comfort with functional exterior utility. These unique homes offer the perfect balance of elegance, practicality, and versatility, making them an increasingly popular choice for homeowners, hobbyists, entrepreneurs, and rural property investors. A luxury barndominium is typically built with a metal or steel frame, offering long-lasting durability and ease of maintenance. However, it is the interior design and architectural finish that define its luxury status. Think high-end appliances, open-concept living, vaulted ceilings, designer lighting, custom woodwork, spa-style bathrooms, and chef's kitchens. These homes can rival or even exceed the aesthetic and comfort of traditional luxury houses. What makes these homes even more versatile is the inclusion of a shop exterior, a dedicated space that can serve as a workshop, garage, home business area, storage zone, or even a small warehouse. This attached shop area typically features oversized roll-up doors, high ceilings, and reinforced flooring, making it ideal for storing equipment, running a business, or working on large projects right at home. Key benefits and features. 1. High-end interior comfort. While the structure of a barndominium may appear industrial or agricultural from the outside, the interiors are often anything but. Luxury barndominiums boast top-tier finishes including granite or quartz countertops, hardwood or polished concrete floors, smart home technology, and custom cabinetry. Open floor plans provide an airy and spacious feel, with large windows to let in natural light and showcase surrounding views. 2. Attached workshop or garage space. The shop component of a luxury barndominium adds unmatched functionality. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a craftsman, a business owner, or simply need extra storage, this area allows you to manage personal or professional tasks without leaving home. For rural or semi-rural properties, having a shop built into your residence can save time and money compared to constructing a separate building. 3. Multi-purpose design. One of the main appeals of a barndominium with a shop exterior is its flexibility. The workshop can serve multiple purposes: a home gym, art studio, man cave, small warehouse, RV or boat garage, or even an office for a home-based business. The possibilities are nearly endless and can be customized to match your lifestyle and goals. 4. Durability and low maintenance. Built using steel or metal framing and siding, these homes are designed to withstand severe weather, pests, fire, and time. Metal exteriors are easier to maintain than traditional wood or brick and offer excellent protection against the elements. This durability translates to long-term cost savings and peace of mind. 5. Cost-effective luxury. Compared to traditional custom-built luxury homes, barndominiums can be more affordable per square foot, especially in rural areas. The metal structure allows for faster construction, lower labor costs, and less long-term maintenance. At the same time, the cost savings can be redirected into high-end finishes, giving homeowners a luxurious feel without the luxury price tag. 6. Energy efficiency and sustainability. Modern barndominiums are often designed with energy efficiency in mind. Insulated metal panels, high-efficiency HVAC systems, and energy-rated windows help reduce energy consumption. Some homeowners also incorporate solar panels or rainwater harvesting systems to make their barndos even more eco-friendly. A luxury barndominium home with a shop exterior offers the best of both worlds, a refined, stylish living environment and a rugged, functional workspace under one roof. Ideal for those who live and work in the same space, pursue hands-on hobbies, or simply want a spacious and unique home with character and capability. This home type continues to grow in popularity across the U.S. and beyond. If you're looking for a home that reflects your lifestyle, offers practical amenities, and doesn't sacrifice beauty for function, a luxury barndo with a shop might be your perfect match.